You sit down late at night, open up your bank screen, and feel a sharp lump in your throat. You are in your 40s, and the ticking clock of retirement feels louder and more urgent every single day. You might feel like you fell behind while life was busy happening, raising kids, paying bills, or building a career. The deep fear of being a late starter is completely real, but your second act comeback starts right now. Standing at the exact midpoint of your working life brings a heavy, unique kind of pressure. Every financial article you read throws around complex acronyms and confusing strategies, making every potential choice feel like a trap. That sudden wall of confusion leads to severe paralysis by analysis, which prevents late starters from taking the very steps that could save their future. When every option feels dangerous, standing still becomes the most dangerous choice of all. When you open an investment account for the very first time, thousands of complex options stare back at you. Trying to pick individual winning stocks feels like guessing in the dark, while choosing and rebalancing mutual funds leaves you feeling completely drained. That constant self-doubt causes millions of late starters to leave their hard-earned money sitting in plain cash accounts, where quiet inflation slowly eats away your purchasing power year after year. The real secret to winning your financial comeback is not picking hot stocks or staring at market charts every morning. Real wealth building comes from establishing a consistent, simple strategy that works quietly in the background while you focus on your life. That is where target date funds enter the picture to clear away the clutter, simplify your decision process, and completely transform your financial future. A target date fund is an all-in-one investment account built around the exact year you expect to retire. If you plan to stop working around the year 2045, you simply select a fund with that target date written right in its title. With just one single purchase, your money gets spread across thousands of global stocks and defensive bonds, giving you complete diversification in one easy move. This single choice instantly eliminates the friction that stops so many people from growing their money. Instead of spending weekend hours studying company balance sheets or trying to guess which industry will boom next, you own a tiny share of the global economy. Automated investing takes over the regular chores, moving your savings directly into your growth portfolio without relying on daily willpower. Managing a custom portfolio on your own requires endless effort, regular rebalancing, and steady nerves during sharp market crashes. When the stock market drops suddenly, raw fear often drives self-managed investors to panic and sell at the absolute bottom. In contrast, target date funds remove dangerous human emotions from the equation, following strict math and systematic discipline rather than fear or short-term greed. Choosing this streamlined path gives you back your valuable time and mental energy for what truly matters. You can focus on advancing your career, enjoying time with your family, and taking care of your health without constantly checking market headlines every hour. Simplicity delivers complete peace of mind, which is the most valuable gift you can give yourself as you navigate your 40s. Inside these simple funds lies the core engine of long-term wealth creation, known as proper asset allocation. Asset allocation is the practice of dividing your investments between growth assets like stocks and defensive assets like bonds. In your 40s, you still need strong growth to build a solid retirement nest egg, but you also need proper defense to guard your savings against unexpected market shocks. The automated engine that manages this shifting balance over time is known as the glide path. When you are 20 years away from your chosen target date, the fund holds mostly stocks to maximize overall returns and compound growth. As the years pass and your retirement date gets closer, the glide path automatically glides your money into safer bonds to lock in your hard-earned gains. This built-in balance shift happens smoothly over decades without requiring you to make a single manual trade or calculate percentages. The automated risk management protects your wealth at every step of your journey, ensuring your portfolio grows safer as you near your ultimate retirement goal. You never have to worry about timing the bond market because the glide path executes its clear plan automatically. Being a late starter means you cannot afford to waste precious years on costly investing mistakes or emotional errors. A 20-year-old worker can easily recover from a 10-year market slump, but someone in their 40s needs smart strategy and steady protection working together. A target date fund balances growth and security from day one, allowing you to catch up without taking wild gambles. Once your automated system is set up, the real power of compound interest gets to work on your monthly contributions. Compound interest happens when the earnings on your money start generating their own returns, creating a powerful snowball effect that speeds up with each passing year. Every dollar you deposit today acts like a dedicated worker building your ultimate financial independence over the long haul. Some investors wonder if target date funds surrender too much control or charge excessive hidden fees. While older funds from decades past carried higher expense ratios, modern low-cost index options keep management fees extremely low, so more of your money stays in your account. The tiny difference in cost is well worth avoiding the paralyzing stress of managing complex individual portfolios completely on your own. Finding the right target date fund is as simple as doing basic math with your personal timeline. Take your current age and subtract it from the age you plan to retire. Then add that number of years to the current year. Look for low-cost options inside your employer 401k or personal Roth IRA to make sure your hard-earned dollars go toward real long-term growth. Setting up automatic monthly contributions straight from your paycheck turns good financial intentions into permanent habits. When money moves directly into your target fund on payday, you naturally adjust to living on what remains without feeling squeezed or stressed. Automated investing builds financial momentum effortlessly, turning small, regular deposits into substantial long-term wealth that protects your family for decades to come. As 5, 10, and 15 years pass, these steady, automated choices alter your financial reality in profound ways. The nagging fear of falling behind transforms into quiet confidence as you watch your net worth expand year after year. Addressing your financial future head-on breaks the cycle of self-doubt and places you firmly back in total control of your ultimate destiny. Picture yourself standing at your retirement date, looking back at the simple decision you made in your 40s. While other investors panicked through market downturns, your target date fund guided your savings safely along its steady glide path. You achieved real financial independence not by outsmarting Wall Street traders, but by staying disciplined and sticking to a simple, reliable plan. The inner voice that once told you it was too late was completely wrong all along. Your 40s give you peak earning power, real-life experience, and the wisdom to value steady clarity over endless speculation. By choosing target date funds, you step off the emotional roller coaster, simplify your investment journey, and build lasting wealth on your own clear terms. True financial strength is never about bragging rights or taking huge risks for quick profits. True wealth is about owning your time, sleeping peacefully every single night, and building a comfortable future for the people you love most. Embracing a simple target date strategy provides the clear, reliable path that brings that ultimate financial freedom fully within your reach. Do not let another single month slip away while your financial potential remains locked on the sidelines. Choose your target retirement year. Set up your automated monthly deposits and trust the process as your money goes to work for you. Your second act starts today, and taking action now will pave the way toward a proud, comfortable, and completely secure future.